Meaning of George Roy Hill.
George Roy Hill.
George Roy Hill.
George Roy Hill.
George Roy Hill. George Roy Hill was an American film director, known for his work on classic films such as Butch Cassidy and the Sundance Kid and The Sting. Hill was born on December 20, 1921, in Minneapolis, Minnesota, and passed away on December 27, 2002, in New York City. He attended Yale University and later became a successful theater director before transitioning to film. Throughout his career, he won numerous awards, including an Academy Award for Best Director for The Sting in 1974. Overall, George Roy Hill was a highly influential figure in the history of American cinema.